In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create charts in Google Slides. Charts turn dry numbers into visuals people can grasp at a glance, and Google Slides makes the process quick and reliable. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Slides. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Google account so you can access and edit your presentations. Next, open the presentation where you want to add a chart. Navigate to the exact slide that needs the visual. Placing the chart on the slide where you plan to discuss the data keeps your audience focused and reduces back and forth during your talk. At the top of the screen, click the Insert menu. From there, hover over Chart to see your options, then choose the chart type that best fits your data. Use a bar chart to compare categories side by side, a line chart to highlight trends over time, a pie chart to show parts of a whole, or a column chart for vertical comparisons similar to bars when you prefer that orientation. Pick the style that clearly communicates your main point. After you choose, Google Slides places a chart placeholder with sample data on your slide. This is a template that's already linked to a data source and will be replaced with your own information. Click the chart to select it, then find the three dots in the chart's top right corner. Click that menu and choose Open Source. This opens the linked data in Google Sheets, usually in a new browser tab, where the chart pulls its numbers. In the Google Sheets file, replace the sample labels and values with your own categories and numbers. Keep the column headers in place so the chart knows what to display, and enter numeric values in the data cells you want plotted. As you type or paste your data, you'll see the chart preview in Sheets refresh automatically, confirming the structure is correct. If something doesn't look right, double check for extra blank rows or mismatched headers. When you're finished editing the data, return to your Slides tab, click the chart, and then click Update. This sync button applies your new numbers from the sheet to the slide, ensuring the visual reflects the latest information. If you don't see the button immediately, wait a moment or reselect the chart and it will appear. That's it. Your chart now displays your updated data, making your presentation clearer and more engaging. With the chart in place, you're ready to present insights with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy presenting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.